Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on your iPhone. You can access the game through cloud streaming services, which effectively run the game on powerful servers and send the video feed directly to your device. This allows you to enjoy the full game without installing large files, making it a convenient solution. You'll need a good internet connection and a comfortable controller for the best experience. To begin with Xbox Cloud Gaming, open your Safari browser and navigate to xbox.com/play. From there, you will sign in with your Microsoft account, which is a straightforward process. Fortnite is available to play for free through this service, even without a Game Pass Ultimate subscription, making it a fantastic starting point. Just add the web page to your home screen for quick, app-like access. Another excellent choice is NVIDIA GeForce Now, also accessible through your iPhone's Safari browser. Head to play.geforcenow.com and log in with your NVIDIA account. Fortnite is available as a free-to-play title within their extensive library. While a free tier offers 1-hour sessions, a paid membership provides extended playtime and faster server queues, enhancing your overall experience significantly. This service truly leverages the power of cloud computing. For the smoothest gameplay experience, we recommend a stable internet connection, ideally over Wi-Fi with at least 20 megabits per second download speed. Using a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network can greatly reduce latency and improve responsiveness. Connecting a Bluetooth controller, like an Xbox or PlayStation controller, will significantly enhance your precision and comfort during intense matches. Remember to close any unnecessary background apps to dedicate your iPhone's resources to the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.